Okay, this is the Whole Naturals Pure Castile soap, and it's unscented, and I am a big fan of Castile soap. I've been using it for years. I had not used this brand until recently here, but I like it a lot. And the reason that I like Castile soap is it's very gentle, and I like the unscented. I like unscented a lot of things because I do have a sensitive skin, and Castile soap is a very gentle soap. And I like the liquid soap because I can use it for so many things. And I mean, I use it for shampoo. I like it because it's very thin soap. I'll just show you, if I just show you this here. It's like a really thin, watery soap, but it suds up really well, and it rinses super easy and stuff. And it's very gentle on my skin, so I can use it for soap. I can use it for shampoo. I even put it in my hand soap bottle here and add some water to it, and then it becomes foaming hand soap here. So this is actually Castile soap that's foaming hand soap in my hand soap dispenser too. So yeah, I use this Wholesome Naturals Castile soap for like everything now. And like I said, this is a brand I hadn't tried until recently here, but yeah, I'm really liking it a lot. And it's got a lot of really good quality ingredients in it and stuff, but it is the unscented version. They make Castile soaps in all different kinds of scents and stuff, but I always use the unscented because I just don't need all those scents on my skins and stuff. But yeah, good stuff.